Welcome to our video on the top 5 websites for finding transcription jobs. Transcription is the process of converting audio or video recording into written or electronic text. It is a great way to work from home and set your schedule. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 websites where you can easily find these transcription jobs. The first website where you can easily find transcription jobs is SEREV.com. SEREV is a popular transcription service that offers transcription, captioning, and translation services. They have a large pool of clients and they are always hiring transcriptionists. You can apply on their website and take the short assessment to determine your skills. Once you pass the assessment, which is not very easy by the way, you can start accepting jobs on their platforms. Number 2 is SCRIBBY.com. SCRIBBY is another transcription service that hires transcriptionists on a contract basis. They offer a range of transcription services including legal, medical, and general transcription. You can apply to be one of the transcriptionists on their website and take a short assessment to determine your skills. If you pass the assessment, you can start accepting their jobs. The third website where you can get these transcription jobs is GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript is a transcription service that hires transcriptionists from around the world. They offer a wide range of transcription service, including legal, medical, and general transcription. You can apply to become a transcriptionist on their website and take their assessment to determine your skills. If you pass the assessment, you will be accepted on their platform and you will definitely make good money. The fourth one is TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe.com is also a service that hires transcriptionists on a contract basis. They offer a range of transcription services like legal, medical, general transcription. You can apply to become a transcriptionist on their website and definitely you'll have to pass their assessment test. If you pass that assessment test, you can easily start accepting their jobs which are available there and you'll make money. And lastly, at number 5 is Quicktech.com. Quicktech is a transcription service. It hires transcriptionists also on a contract basis, and they also offer several transcription services ranging from legal, ranging from medical, research, and general. And of course, they have an assessment. You pass that assessment, you get enrolled into their programs and you will start getting the jobs. I hope this video has helped you about the 5 websites for finding transcription jobs online. Good luck in your job search.